How's it going today, guys? I'm gonna run another jig time video. I'm gonna throw out something a little bit different here. I've been trying to change up my colors, throwing some stuff that I like. Today I'm running a 1/32 ounce jig head like always, using the monofill clear. I have a chartreuse zonker that I'm going to be running, and the volcano for the body. Let's get back at it here and run us up another jig. I know that I'm only running one jig in the videos, but when I'm tying, I'll do, 5 or 6 of them or so I have extras. I actually do use my own stuff. I don't just do it just for the videos. So with this zonker, you got the hide on the bottom and the hair on top. Try to get this as close to the head as you can. Get one loose wrap on it so it holds it, so you don't do that. With this zonker hair, it's really fluffy and very, very soft, and I have very fat fingers, so it don't always work out the best for me sometimes. So it always wants to roll in my hand. Try to do a loose roll. There we go. There we go. And then you can adjust it if you don't roll it too tight. And then you want to make sure you get a good few wraps on that. There we go. That's a lot better. So then I'll run this kind of thick on top, so I'll go double the length. I like the look of this volcano because it's got sparkles in it. It's a good combo here. I like running bright colors. I always have good luck running bright colors. Some people like to run a mixture of dark and light. I just mind the brightness. Most of the time, if I'm running after big crappie, they like the bright versus the dark. And always make sure you get a couple extra wraps in there just in case. And I like to do a double wrap. Most people, they'll wrap it once and use the UV epoxy or whatever. I'll just do a double wrap and a little dab of super glue right here on the knot. But ultimately, it's just your preference. And then this is what you're left over with when you're done.